Guys, Paul
and Ryan.
All right, PA Outdoors couple. We are here at Jakey Hollow in northern Columbia County, and we're gonna check this place out. It's a natural area.
And the road to get up here said travel at your own risk.
Only yours though, no one else's.
It's kind of scary, but now we're at the top of the hill.
We're on the top of the hill. We can see a quarry in the distance, and we're gonna come down here and see what this signage is all about, and we'll be right back. Cheers. Oh, well, we're here. We're here on a drizzly day. It's starting to rain. I know there's a big storm coming, right?
It was just rain, not much of a storm, but big.
Just lots of it.
So, lot of rain.
And it's a nice downward trek. So if you're not really good at the verticals, we're gonna take it easy. Ryan and I just screwed up our legs not too long ago, so we're gonna take it easy. It'll be an adventure hike, and hopefully we're gonna find some mushrooms. We need to find some more mushrooms. I can see a lot of crust fungus already, so there's stuff here, and it goes down to Fishing Creek at the base, so check it out. All right, here we go. All right, and of course I forgot my lovely present from Ryan, my selfie stick. So we're gonna
walking stick.
No, you don't have your walking stick. I don't have my selfie stick.
Is it a shmoony?
Your shrooms. Your mushrooms. I can already see some orange jellies over there. Nope, some of the same.
No.
Alright. Easy. Don't trip. Don't trip.
Yeah, there's lots of down sticks.
There was a review where they said that they had to step over some pretty big trees. This doesn't get maintained too often. That really doesn't. Oh, puffball.
Oh,
Yeah.
I almost stepped on him.
Oh no. Shield mushroom? Beard mushroom? Here's a rustler. Yeah.
Oh, broken.
Yeah. There's a rustler down there. They're good eating. They're fragile, but they're good to eat. The idea of it that it's not that well maintained isn't that big of a deal to me anyway. I kind of like that. That way it's not, people aren't in here all the time cutting stuff down and moving stuff. So we'll see. We'll see. We will get back to you. We won't bother you with every mushroom we see. So, all right. See you in a bit. Cheers. Chanterelle on the track. So there are some nice edible mushrooms here. It's a little older, but they are there. You can see the current gills down the whole stalk. And then we break it open, it'll be white inside. Or it should be white inside. That is the white inside. So there you go. Solid and white. Chanterelle. Cheers. Little jewelweed. See if we can find some of these seed pods right here. Yeah. Seed pod, and you boom! It explodes in your hand. It's fun. Yes, it does. You take the high road and I'll take the low road. And Ryan's sporting her awesome PA Outdoors hoodie. Yeah. Get outdoors.
Okay, wait. I got it. I don't think you can see it.
I can see it. PA Outdoors. Get outdoors. There it is. Here we go. Big step. Nailed it. All right. Yeah, well, we're gonna go a little bit more. Probably not too long. Taking it easy the first time, but we'll come back and do more of it. Well, let's see what we find. Cheers. Hey guys, we're heading out.
Up the hill.
Up the hill we go. So we're almost there. Here's our view. Here's the incline. Last incline. Back up to the top.
Get out of the rain.
Yep. It is a rainy day in PA. But overall, it's pretty much covered, so it really wasn't that bad.
Yeah, most of it. We didn't get that.
Oh. There's Marge. Chanterelles on the trail. Wow.
Yeah, it was a nice little walk.
Yeah, and we could have went a little further, but moderation. We'll go further.
Water was in the way too.
Yeah, there was a creek. There's a creek you gotta cross. It's not too big of a deal. Small little thing. And then I'm assuming it goes over again and down into Fishing Creek then. So that's just like a little tributary
I
run.
don't know how it gets back.
And then you go over again to the actual main creek. So
No map.
we're gonna do it again. We'll find out. All right. It's been Paul.
And Ryan.
PA Outdoors couple. Remember to cheers and
Get outdoors.
boom.